A very good morning, students. Today in maths video of class 3rd I am going to start exercise 1.1. Student, in previous class I have posted a video and I hope you all have understand what the pattern is. In this symmetry is also there. You know what is the symmetry? See the symmetrical figures through which a line can be drawn to divide those into two equal halves, just like the reflection of each half in the mirror are called the symmetrical figure. So student, you can see this is the heart shape, and if a line, imaginary line drawn in between, so you can see that first part is the mirror image of the second part, means ये part इसका mirror image है. Here also you can see this rectangle can be divided into two equal parts, and this triangle you can see that this part and this part both are not same, both are not mirror image, so this is not the line of symmetry. And here also you can see this part 1 and part 2 both are not same, so means they are also not symmetrical. Our right hand is symmetry of the our left hand. ठीक है, right hand our left hand are the mirror image of each other. Our body is also, our left side of the body is the mirror image of the right side of our body. So our first question of exercise 11.1 is, thus the dotted line divide each of the following figures into two similar halves. If yes, then write Y. If no, then write N. Here you can see this, it is dividing, student. You can see that this part and this part are symmetrical, so we can write yes. Here you can see this part and this part both are not same, so we will write N. This triangle, this part and this part is symmetrical, so we will write yes. Here also, student, this part and this part both are similar to each other, so we will write yes. This circle also, this is symmetrical. This diagram you can see also symmetrical. This is symmetrical, this is no. Here it is symmetrical, it is symmetrical, it is not symmetrical, and this is also symmetrical. Okay student, you have to write Y and N in this question. Exercise 11.2. Draw the other half of the following figures so that they are symmetrical. Use a scale if you want. Color the shape. So you have to complete this. So you have to draw the second part. You can also use scale, but I am not using scale. You have to draw its remaining symmetrical part. Okay bachcho, see, and you have to color it. First part it is drawn here, then next, then this, then this, then this. Here also you have to complete this shape. Okay, this part. So you can see these diagrams are completed, and you have to draw this with the help of scale and pencil, and also color this. Okay. Third one is tiling pattern. How to टाइल्स जैसे लगते हैं ना बच्चों, वो मेथड है। इसमें आपको देखना टाइल्स की मदद से कैसे डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स बनाए गए।